Hello, my dear student. How are you? Welcome to online class 2020 of Tahsillaa High School. At first, I will discuss about the English second paper, passage narration, class 19. Passage narration. There are two kinds of narration: direct narration and indirect narration. By the end of the lesson, the students can learn about the changing passage narration. So we can see that there are passage narration. Good morning, students, said the teacher. How are you? We are fine, sir. What about you? I am fine too. Please sit down. Have you prepared your lesson? The teacher asked. Sorry, sir. We have not prepared our lesson, they replied. This is passage narration. I will change this passage narration. So everybody follow me. Good morning, students, said the teacher. The teacher wished students good morning. The teacher wished students good morning. How are you? This is interrogative sentence. The teacher asked students conjunction how they were. We are fine, sir. Students told students respectfully told the teacher conjunction that they are fine. What about you? Students asked the teacher conjunction what was about him. Students asked the teacher what was about him. I am fine too. The teacher told students conjunction that, this is assertive sentence, conjunction that. I will change the teacher changed he was fine too. Please sit down. The teacher imperative sentence requested. The teacher requested a student The teacher requested students to sit down. Have you prepared your lesson? The teacher asked. Have you prepared your lesson? The teacher asked. The teacher asked students. This is interrogative sentence, conjunction if or whether. If they had prepared their lesson. I will sense this is interrogative sentence. Have you prepared your lesson? The teacher asked students if they had prepared their lesson. Sorry sir, we have not prepared our lesson, they replied. They respectfully told the teacher, conjunction that they were sorry and they had not prepared their lesson. Follow this changing passage narration. The teacher wished students good morning. The teacher asked students, interrogative sentence, how they were. Students respectfully told the teacher that they were fine. Students asked the teacher what was about him. The teacher told the students that he was fine too. He was fine too. The teacher requested students to sit down. The teacher asked students if they had prepared their lesson. They respectfully told the teacher that they were sorry and they had not prepared their lesson. I will sense this passage narration. Everybody follow this passage narration. Next, I will discuss about the passage narration. Everybody follow me. Everybody will sense this passage narration at your home. Have you ever been to Cox's Bazar? Asked Kamal. No. I have never replied Jamal. But I have desire for visiting the place. But I have desire for visiting the place. I had an opportunity to visit the sea beach. Sea beach last year. Said Kamal, let us go there this week, said Jamal. This is passage notation. Everybody will try to change this passage notation at your home. Have you ever been to Cox's Bazar? This is interrogative sentence. Asked Kamal. No. I have never, replied Jamal. This is assertive sentence. But I have desire for visiting the place. This is interrogative sentence. I had an opportunity to visit the sea beach last year, said Kamal. This is an assertive sentence. Let us go there this week, said Jamal. This is imperative sentence. Everybody will try to change this passage at your home. Follow this structure. Everybody, thank you. You are most welcome. Thank you very much.